You know, I just thought about something. So, honestly, this is probably Instagram's saving grace.
Yeah.
Because of how many bot accounts there are on Instagram, all you have to do is limit only people who can interact with my page, real people.
Exactly.
The bot problem is over and done. Just like that, instant. Out of there.
And because for them to create bots, they would literally need to steal people's IDs.
But they couldn't because if that ID's already been verified, they can't re-verify with it. So I thought, so that literally solves it. Meta probably sat back and watched Facebook do this. You're like, good.
Yeah.
Because Twitter essentially tested out the market, right? They got all the hate, kind of like when Apple does things, right? Apple get the hate. They took out the charger, but then now everybody's right. But now with Twitter, they tested out Twitter Blue. People hated it. Blah 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 blah. Eventually, it stayed. But now Instagram's gonna do it. This is gonna be bot accounts' worst nightmare.
Yep,
worst nightmare.
I think it's actually gonna bring out the better experience of social media because I know there's people who want to reach out. Let's say you want to reach out to somebody who has 25,000 followers on Instagram or Twitter or what it may be, and you know, my Instagram has over 2,000 followers. Sometimes I get people who are messaging, sometimes I get bot accounts, and sometimes it gets overwhelming. But people who are verified that you know it's a real person behind there, you know, he took his time out of his day to get verified, putting his ID. You know you're talking to somebody real. You're more likely to open the message.
Yep.
So now you, even if you have 100 followers, you can message somebody with 20,000 followers and he'll read and respect your message because you are verified.
Yep.
He knows you're human. Whatever message you send to him, he'll be like, okay, it has some backing behind it versus just
a random
John
bot.
Slayer.
Yeah, you don't know if it's a real
private
person.
account, not verified, and it could be Robert from Costa Rica trying to scam you for your money.
Yep.
Or your Nigerian parents.
Yep.
So Meta is actually testing this out in New Zealand, and I believe the other country was Australia. So they started rolling it out in New Zealand and Australia to test it out over there. And I'm guessing they're doing that because that's an English marketplace, but it isn't as big as the US or England or the UK.
Yeah, whenever you're testing things out, especially in software development, you want to test it out in smaller markets first. You see, not just the people that like it, but if it breaks the software in any way, right? Having this massive amount of people try to verify all at once is bound to cause some issues. So they want to test it first, localize the issue, fix it, and then slowly expand. We probably won't
USA until 2024.
Yeah, we will probably not get it till like it's
next year.
Yeah, it's kind of like how Instagram is incorporating the GIFs now. You can use GIFs, but not everybody has it yet.
Yeah, honestly, the GIF, whichever.
I say GIF. It's GIF.
Yeah, I used to call it Jif, but then I started calling the peanut butter Jif with the J. So I was like, nah, I can't call this peanut butter. I gotta call it Jif. Because I used to be a Jif guy too. And then once I started eating Jif.
Yeah, but GIF came first.
Anyways, I think the GIFs are actually a good addition to Instagram. It makes it more lively versus just text.
You know, I like GIFs, and I like how the design is like not too big. I think that's the best part about Twitter, where I don't have to reply to somebody. I can just put a GIF and you know, like, okay.
And sometimes it's more entertaining.
Yeah, it's funny. It's hilarious. Yeah.
Because usually if you go on TikTok, your first thing is to do, let me go read the comments, because some people are like ruthless in the comments. Because you know those comments are funny. On Instagram Reels, I usually don't run to the comments, honestly.
Well, because it's full of bots.
Yeah.
So I never want to go.
Yeah. So, and then now that if you're verified, they prioritize your videos, your content, and your posts. So overall, when you pay, you get a better experience on their social media app.
Yep.
And I think that's a great add-on to it.